How to fix Facebook Messenger attachment unavailable problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook Messenger attachment unavailable problem. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, let's know why this problem persists. This problem might persist if you are not connected to a strong internet connection or if your app is not up to date. So you need to simply go ahead and update your app. In order to do that, you need to tap on your app store. Now that you are here, you need to tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner. From here, you need to go ahead and find Messenger. Then you can see an option that says update. Go ahead and tap on update. Now, once you do that, you need to ensure that you are connected to a strong internet connection. In order to check it, you need to head over to your settings, and from here you need to tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to a strong internet connection. Otherwise, you can simply go ahead and turn on your cellular data. If your Wi-Fi internet connection is weak, you can always switch to your cellular data. And once you have done that, this might help you solve the error. But if the error still persists, you need to tap on your settings again, and from here you need to tap on general. Then you need to tap on iPhone storage. Now that you are here, you need to scroll down and find Messenger, and once you find it, you need to simply tap on offload the app, and then you need to tap on offload app in order to offload the app. And once you have done that, you can go to your app store and download the app again, and this might help you fix the error. And that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.